As the ball's broken down, but he's way outside of the race course. They were going back by you. Alright, 20 seconds to the start. That'll be Liddy Toad. I'm sorry, it'll be going out in 1, Liddy Toad in 2, Wheeler in 3, and then Braden Johnson will be on the outside. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, mark. Clean start. It looks like really close for Bolodowski. He'll lead him across the finish line, but watch for Grant Liddycoat. Liddycoat's going to stick his nose in between those two. And Grant Liddycoat from lane number 2 will take the lead through turn number 1. So Liddycoat hooks it on the skid pin through turn number 1. He'll take the lead off the exit pit of turn number 1 here on lap number 5. He's got Nick Wheeler on his outside. And then Braden Johnson and John Shaw's Trophy Hunter on the outside of them. So it's Liddycoat down the backstretch, already opened up by a forward 0.5. A battle for second between Nick Wheeler and Braden Johnson, side by side for second here in the T-Boat qualifier. So Liddycoat through turn number 2, and the T35, the Thompson Automotive Group TM Special. He'll come off the exit pit of turn number 2 to come around and complete lap number 1. There'll be 1 down and 4 to go. Here in the in the 1.5 liter stock qualifier. Nick Wheeler having a nice run back in second. In the T80, but in second position, Braden Johnson on his outside. Braden had to start outside at lane number 4 as he's still under rookie restriction. And that T5, the Trophy Hunter, running back in third position. So I'm blowing up, coming across in fourth. So everybody kind of already spread out here on lap number 2. We're 1.5 in, 3.5 to go here in the T-Boat qualifier. And it's Grant Liddycoat out of Southern Virginia, your leader. We'll call it 3-4 rooster tail advantage over top of Nicholas Wheeler back in second. Out of Chester, Maryland, and then Braden Johnson all the way from the Seattle, Washington area, running back in third. So through turn number 2 here on lap number 2, Grant got it going all his way. He's opened up by 15 to 20 boat lanes. We'll come around and complete lap number 2 to be 2 down, 2 to go here in the T-Boat qualifier. Grant Liddycoat and the Thompson Automotive Group GM Special is your leader. Nick Wheeler in the 80 coming across to the second. Braden Johnson in third. And Robert Bolonowski in the T2 on the backstretch in the fourth. About halfway through our 1.5 liter stock qualifier. And it's all Grant Liddycoat. The young man out of Southern Virginia leads down the backstretch. All 15 boat lanes, 20 boat lanes advantage, always half a straightaway now over top of Nicholas Wheeler back in second. And Braden Johnson in third. Remember the T-Boats, 1.5 liter stock through a 97 cubic inch motor, speeds upwards of 90 miles an hour. The speed record on the straightaway is right around 96 miles an hour. So these guys are good, and they're pretty good, even though it's a starter class. You can be 13 years of age to drive a 1.5 liter stock. So off the exit of turn number 2 to correct complete lap number 3. 3 down, 2 to go for Grant Liddycoat. Looking really good here. And this 1.5 liter stock qualifier, Grant's got the boat running nicely here. Boat's been out west in the early part of the season, come back east to run the Eastern Divisionals. And then we'll have the Summer Nationals in Hampton, Virginia, so Grant's hometown, hosting the Summer Nationals. Be down there in about a month and a half. So down the backstretch here on a lap at number 4, 3.5 in and 1.5 to go. It's still Liddycoat by a full straightaway, but Nick Wheeler running in second might have some company on his outside with Braden Johnson. The young man from the Seattle, Washington area is going to try to move up into second position as Nick is down on horsepower, and Johnson's going to go right on by and take over second position of Nicholas Wheeler through turn number 2. So Liddycoat is your leader off the exit of turn 2. It'll be white flag this time by, so we'll go one more lap around here in the T-Boat qualifier. And Grant Liddycoat is your leader in the T35 Thompson Automotive Group TM Special. Second place is Braden Johnson in the T5, the Trophy Hunter. Braden's getting comfortable behind the wheel of that boat. Looks really good. He actually bought Kevin Dunker's old boat and is campaigning that out on the West Coast. But looking really good here at John Shaw's equipment. Here at the Cambridge Brown Thunder on the Choptank. Looks like Nick Wheeler's having some mechanical issues. He's probably just wants to put that boat down. Don't want to hurt anything else. I don't think he's going to be able to do a lap. like that. But your leader up to the top end of the race course through turn number 2. TM Special T35, Thompson Automotive Group sponsored TM Special with coffee exit to turn number 2. Turn flag will fly this time by. And your unofficial winner of heat number 1 for the 1.5 liter stocks will go to Grant Liddycoat and the Thompson Automotive Group TM Special. Second place, nice run for Brayden Johnson, first time behind the wheel of the T5 Trophy Hunter. He'll go ahead and get second place. It looks like Bolanowski will end up in third, and unfortunately it did not finish for Nick Wheeler, and it did not start for Keith McMullen. So unfortunate for those two, unable to finish.